Hello, everyone. Are you wondering which doctor to see for excessive coughing and wheezing? Let's explore. Excessive coughing and wheezing can be caused by many things, such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or bronchitis. Typical symptoms include coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Excessive coughing and wheezing are a common problem that affects many people. For excessive coughing and wheezing, you should see a pulmonologist. A pulmonologist specializes in lung health, including diagnosing and treating asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other respiratory disorders. They can help you figure out why you're experiencing excessive coughing and wheezing and recommend the right treatment. They can also prescribe medications to help manage the underlying condition. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.